Hi, it's Jessica here from Jessie and Friends. Welcome to Season 2, Grandma Cereal. In our last season we have completed 2 weeks ago. We completed the season with 23 episodes. And I have an announcement. Grandma Donut got cataract surgery, so she does not need glasses anymore. And for the first episode of Season 2, let's begin. Grandma Cereal works at a construction site.
What are you doing at this building? Oh, can I help? No! What are you building? TV. Ew, who's that lady? Hey! Hey! You know how to be up there. This is a dump for the dead body! You got it, Bill!
Grandma!
Grandma Cereal! Grandma Cereal!
Grandma!
She's in here.
Grandma, what are you doing?
I don't like this thing! What are you saying? Help! 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 Let me in! Not with the hair on my chinny chin chin!
Not with the hair on your chinny chin chin.
Let me in! Help! Help! Gotta go back to work. Gotta go back to work. You have to go back. Well, now! Why can't we play again? Now, Bill, you stink. What's that? Was that a mole? Bill! Shut up. No. Hey, that can't come alive. That can't come alive. That's alive.
Grandma, get back to work.
No, the show is so cool.
Grandma,
That's a woman.
go back to work.